Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if an authentications error has occurred with the error code 0x800706BE when attempting to connect to host computer via remote desktop connections. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on a start menu and select run, or you can use keyboard shortcut. Press Windows key plus letter R. Pagsabayin mo lang yan. And then pop up itong run. Okay? So dito lang sa box ay kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung command keyword na gpedit.msc. And then press mo lang dito yung OK. And ito yung tinatawag na local group policy editor. And next step, so dito lang sa local computer policy, under dito sa computer configurations, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows settings. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And next step, so under dito sa Windows settings, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security settings. So double click ulit dito. And dito sa security settings, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung local policy and then double click ulit dito. And dito sa local policy, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung security options. Okay, ito siya. So dito kailangan mo lang mag-select one time. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa right side, makikita mo dito yung kanyang policy settings. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung accounts, limit local accounts, use of blank password to console login only. Alright, so kailangan mo lang i-select yan, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up itong kanyang property settings. So dito lang sa local security settings, and then kailangan mo lang i-disable ito. Okay, so click mo lang tong disabled, click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa local group policy editor, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito lang sa search for apps. So kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung control panel, and i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, so dito lang sa upper right side, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito yung category. So click mo lang yan. And then next step, so kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system and security. So click mo lang yan. So dito sa system and security, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung system. Okay, so under dito sa system, and then select mo lang dito yung allow remote access. So click mo lang yan. And then pop up itong kanyang system properties. So ang next step, so dito lang sa taas ay select mo lang dito yung remote. And then dito sa remote assistant, kailangan nakacheck tong box na allow remote assistant connections to this computer. So dapat nakacheck lang yan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, and then close mo lang, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? Ayan, so ganoon lang po ka-simply on how to fix an authentications error has occurred with the error code 0x800706BE. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.